Hello, today at Bob's Watches we are introducing a pre-owned Rolex Sky-Dweller 326135. This watch contains a random serial number that was produced around 2014 or later. The characteristics of this watch include a Rolex Tobacco leather strap with an Everose gold folding Oysterlock clasp. The dial is chocolate with Everose gold Arabic hour markers, the date, month, and a GMT second time zone. This watch contains a scratch-resistant sapphire crystal, a waterproof screw-down crown, and is water-resistant down to 100 meters. The case is 42mm 18-karat Everose gold. This watch has an automatic 9001 movement. This Sky-Dweller comes with the Rolex box, booklets, and a Rolex warranty card dated December 2014. As all watches we sell, this watch comes with a 3-day satisfaction guarantee and a 1-year warranty. You can purchase this watch by clicking the box in this video or by searching for Bob's Watches 326135 in Google. Thank you.